This is the world's largest Halloween convention.
Too much stuff in here that I want.
You want to know?
Oh, there's a thing and I need the thing really bad. My cookie.
Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. We have finally made it to the West Coast. We are here at Midsummer Scream in Long Beach, California. This is the world's largest Halloween convention. Now, you've seen us, we've been to a few Halloween and haunted house conventions before, but this place is absolutely packed full of really awesome vendors, and they've even got what they're calling the Hall of Shadows. Several different haunted houses from around the area are setting up little mini walkthroughs inside of there and displays. We're going to take you around the whole show floor and show you some of the highlights. So without further ado, let's get in here and get some scares.
You want to know?
Oh, it's a monkey. Oh, it's a flying monkey. Dracula. Oh, Tyler.
Oh, it's a haunted house.
We found a haunted house. Oh, the Haunted Mansion shirt.
Oh, yeah.
Look at these guys. Vintage Halloween. We love it. Ooh, those are cute. They come with little planchettes. It's art. Ghostface, Freddy, Michael. Oh, those hats are cute in there. Like really cute. Man, there's too much stuff in here that I want. Like that tarot bag that says witchy. Shoot. Oh, there's a thing and I need the thing really bad.
Besides everything.
It's a bat. Oh. I am a sucker for bats, ghosts, haunted houses, pumpkins, everything Halloween.
See the Haunted Mansion right next to it?
Yeah. Like icy, sweet stuff. Hello. Oh, red velvet cake? Oh my goodness.
That is dangerous.
Oh.
Red velvet is another weakness.
It is.
We're gonna summon the red velvet demons.
Yeah.
She looks excited. Excited.
My cookie. She wants the cookie. That looks as good as the cookie. Yum. Tyler, you want a bob for some apples?
I think those are maybe poison apples.
It's Tyler, Nora, and one of the Frenchies.
That one's too tall to be Nora.
I think I need some green ones. Those are cute. I've never seen any like this. They're skulls. Oh, wow. What's with that? Is that like Elf on the Shelf?
It says that it's not a snitch.
Oh, right. He's not a snitch. You can't trust the elves.
It has bats. I like that one. I want that. I love it. It's so comfortable. Whew. Candyman, Killer Clowns. Those are really cool little coffins. Ooh, look at that scene from Trick or Treat. That's freaking awesome.
Whose head is that? You're not supposed to have that. That belongs to somebody. It belongs to you now. Okay, all right.
Oh, look at the little plague doctors. Those are cute. Haunted house. Haunted house. That's cool. The Simpsons Halloween Scare-a-thon. Look at the little inflatable guy. It's a baby.
How about this one here, Nora?
Nope.
You don't like the fuzzy?
No. I like the fuzzy bat. Well, those are unique. Made out out of paper. Look at that.
Really cool.
Those are cool. How many eyes does Chucky have?
Too many. Too many.
Too many. Those are really, really cool frames.
Right behind me, isn't he?
Uh-oh. There's some oddities in there. Let's go.
There's a Spidey out of here.
Nope. I'm not looking at the Spidey. I'm looking at the bat.
Oh, there's bats.
Why is it making that noise?
So in addition to the show floor, Midsummer Scream is not holding out on any of the shows. They've got 2 or 3 theater rooms where they're doing performances and demonstrations and presentations all throughout the weekend. So if you're able to come out at any point, make sure you check those out too.
You think there's a clown in there?
And my best friend's doing the first part.
They have Creature pumpkins, Creature the Black Lagoon, Myers pumpkin, you think? Maybe?
They have even got tattoo artists here doing tattoos on the show floor.
What is this?
It's a curcumin?
Yeah, or a hum turk. Ooh. She's holding it. Ooh.
All kinds in there.
Is that a Spidey cat?
No. Are you sure?
I'm pretty sure. Look at the new shirt. I hadn't seen that yet. We have to have that one.
And of course, no convention of this magnitude would be complete without some make and takes. They've got lots of body art going on. They've even got a couple stage shows that they do every once in a while.
They have a Jeepers Creepers flannel.
Uh-oh. We're in trouble now.
Good, look at that.
Hi, I'm Jill. I'm a cheerleader. This is my boyfriend, he's hot.
Don't listen to her, she's delusional.
I said you were hot.
Oh, okay.
They did say that the Queen Mary's Dark Harbor is coming back this year.
Little skelly twins. Instead of skeletons, they're skelly twins. I think it's coming to life.
Comment below if you went peace when you saw that. Of course, we kind of did things backwards. We started at the back and worked our way towards the front. But now that we're getting up here towards the front, this whole row is full of celebrities, all kinds of podcasts and shows and different things. Definitely a good destination for autographs. And of course, there is all kinds of cosplay going on. Alright guys, last but not least is the Hall of Shadows. That's kind of like the Dark Zone if you watched our Transworld video. There's all kinds of haunted houses put together, these displays, and actually little mini walkthroughs that you can actually go through. They got actors that jump out and scare you. There's a whole demonstration by the Decayed Brigade. It's the Southern California Sliders. They do a really great show. You are not going to want to miss that video. I've got a link for you right here. I will see you there. Until then, stay scary.